wants to see tomato frog.
Yeah, I don't see the tomato frog.
Probably Mama would like to keep them inside, Baba. Keep those things inside. Did you see the monitor?
Oh, over here. Oh, the green one. Look at them.
No?
I see everything but.
Oh, come on. I see something else. Come in here. Big monitor. Aditi.
Stop over there. Right here.
Do you need help?
Over there. In the tree, the green one. Did you see?
Do you need help?
Over here. On the branch. Oh, frog. Mom, the frog is here. Oh, there's a frog in there. On the log. Right here, on the bottom log over there. Did you see? Oh, okay.
You gotta slow down and listen, okay? There is a big one. Come on. Huh? You see? Need help?
On the branch over here.
I need to go see some. I need a snake. I need to see some snake.
That's not a skunk.
Come here.
Skink. What is skink? That's what
Come
is
here.
written there.
This one.
Oh!
Breathing. Huh? It's breathing.
Look at all the birds sitting in the wrong room. Yup, yup, bark, bark.
Oh my God. Look at it. Your
Oh,
friend.
something is. Oh, look at it. It's a tree shrimp.
Oh, it's a squirrel.
That's a tree shrimp.
Oh!
That's kind of cute.
Look at the clothes.
See, look, they got their own. Uh-huh. I feel like someone would have this. Oh, look at this. Nice one.
Oh!
I think they brought the squirrel from outside.
No, that's a tree. It looks like a rat. Even in the house.
Where?
Okay, move on.
Daddy, carry me.
Hold on, okay? I gotta fix things.
Carry. Carry me.
Oh, you tall now? As tall as Mama?
Look at this, aren't you? On top, look at this. Is it the light? Yeah.
Boy, what is that? Boy.
No.
Okay. We go this way. No, do not touch anything.
We're going up.
Oh, what?
Otter.
They're sleeping. Right there in the corner. Oh, there. See?
Small.
You see in the corner? Oh, up there.
Up there?
It's sleeping. It's sleep time. To the dark cave. See cave?
Yeah, at least they're not as tall as me.
They are too hot. They don't want to come outside. Yeah, you want to go up?
Yes.
Up in the ladder, up in the...
Elevator. I'm not walking.
It's a mushroom.
Why are you not walking? You tired?
Yes.
Me tired.
My
too.
feet hurt.
Mama's feet hurt.
My feet hurt.
Her feet hurt. 4% maximum. 4% over 100.
Well, we're one family and 4 people, so.
I need to go.
Hold on, baby. You don't listen, do you? Do you see what happens when you're crazy? See?
Oh, there.
Slow down, slow. Okay. Just right here. Just slow. Look at these mountains. The boulders. Oh my god.
Oh, do we have a drink on outside? Can you put it inside, Baba?
What do you mean?
This.
Yeah. There is something.
Better rather than. This is no drink. Yeah. I cannot do that. Let's go inside. What's today?
You ready? Come on.
The birds are on diet.
Slow, 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 slow.
That's what it's called. Already.
Baby, answer. Stay there.
Stay there.
Right. Stay there, stay there, right? That's what I mean.
Am I supposed to be looking?
Look anywhere.
Oh, this. Good. Good job. What you got there, mommy?
Frog.
You frog? Oh, my frog.
Okay, let's go. Can you pull on
That's
ship?
already inside. Oh. Okay.
Go. Whoa, hot. Oh, I forgot it's supposed to be a rainforest. That's why it's so hot. बाट छोटे अंशु अंशु no you're slow where I saw the bird there's a boy on top
The monkeys. Uh-oh. I see some. I found some air somewhere. Did you find air?
yeah
Stand here.
Anshu here
Stand here.
I was like here coming here where
This
AC
air.
oh
Air.
yeah let's go
Yes.
These animals
oh
look
look at
like
look at those birds Oh, there are bird over there too.
White bird. Right over there.
Where? Oh, the tree.
Abito, you wanna see the bird?
I have a pink bird on top. Pink on top, Daddy. Yeah.
These are colorful. Don't you see that?
Oh,
These are colorful.
look at this bird.